Safeguarding your privacy is crucial when considering credit repair services. While reputable companies prioritize data security, there's inherent risk in sharing sensitive information. Ensure you choose a service with robust encryption and a solid reputation. Before sharing your employer's details, thoroughly research the credit repair service. Look for user reviews, testimonials, and industry accreditations. A legitimate service should be transparent about its practices. Consider reaching out to the service with questions about their data protection measures. Your information, especially employment details, should be handled with the utmost care. For added security, explore credit repair services such as Panda that offer clear privacy policies and demonstrate a commitment to safeguarding your personal information. Your financial journey deserves the highest level of protection. Empower yourself with knowledge, choose wisely, and take control of your credit story.